Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link has currently formed, in my view, a three-wave structure to the upside only, and that third wave might even still be in the making. There are two wave counts that I'm watching. Both are currently bullish as long as we're holding above the $11 level, because that's the 78.6 retracement of the rally that started on the 4th of November. It's still only a three-wave move up, however, so we've got an ABC structure in wave 1 in both counts. In the white count, the wave 2 bottomed in September. Then we have an A, B, and this would be a C wave up, which might just need one more high to get to $17.47. Why do we need to get to that level? Because it's the 138% extension of the initial 1-2 setup. Let me just double check that. Let me just verify that. Yep, and that is the first ideal target for a third wave. Then we could get a wave 4 in white and a wave 5, and I need those 5 waves. That's how a leading diagonal would look like. Now in the yellow scenario, it's slightly different. So we could get some more extensions to the upside, because in this scenario we had a wave 1, and then this would be an probably a WXY in wave 2. And the third wave started here on the 4th of November, and it would likely be an A, B, C structure. And in this case, the B wave might even still be unfolding. That's why the support area is still there. It pretty much captures this scenario. And here support is between $13.07 and $11. And then we could get maybe one more leg up in wave 3. Then we need a wave 4 and a wave 5. Both counts possible. In both counts, I'm watching the support area as relevant. Yeah, I see this as relevant. We could easily test it again. As you can see in the yellow count, what might be the case is that this was just an A wave, an overshooting B wave in 3 waves, and a C wave down before we go higher, right? Definitely worth watching for. That means if the price dips back into support, it might just simply be the C wave of wave B, and then from there it could take off again. Both of these, as I said, both of these wave counts currently show a possible path higher, but the price must hold above the $11 level, because any break below that 78.6 retracement would likely lead to invalidation of the potential uptrend. And it's a very unclear structure to me. It's just not very clear. It's just a 3-wave move up, and it's a lot of, there's a lot of overlap in there. And I'm not ruling out that it could morph into something different, but that's for me at the moment what I'm tracking. The way to track the bearish count here is just to have this support area on the chart and the red invalidation line. Any break below those would likely mean that we are testing going to test the $6.90 level down here in a larger wave 2. That wave 2 never bottomed in August. But yeah, not very interesting structure to track as well, because it's very choppy. It looks, I don't know, it doesn't look impulsive to the upside. It just means be careful, keeps us on the side of caution for now. It's certainly not yet a 5-wave move to the upside, so we have to be a little bit more patient. I also cannot really interpret this as a 1-2-1-2 structure, because neither this move up nor this move up are 5-wave patterns. So I mean, there might be a way to say, okay, maybe wave 2 actually bottomed here because this was a truncation, but then even this is a 3-wave move up. So it just doesn't add up fully from an impulsive point of view. Therefore, it has to be a diagonal. At least that's my assumption, until the market proves that something different is going on. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.